Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a 6-digit PIN in Facebook Messenger to protect your encrypted chats. If this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really supports my work. Now let's get started. First, open the Messenger app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, open the menu. On iPhone, tap Menu at the bottom of the screen. On Android, tap the menu icon at the top of the screen. Once the menu opens, tap Settings. Now select Privacy and Safety. From here, tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Next, select Message Storage. If prompted, turn on Message Storage. Then tap Create PIN. Enter your 6-digit PIN and confirm it again. Once you see the option to reset PIN, that means your PIN has been successfully created. And that's how you set up a PIN in Messenger. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.